Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install Sublime Text, which is one of the most used text editors for HTML and CSS. First you want to search up Sublime Text. You want to click on this and then download here. Then you want to click on whichever one you want, depending on your operating system, and it'll follow the steps and then it'll install Sublime Text for you. The next thing you want to do is open Sublime Text. And then the first thing you want to do is install Emmet. So you do this by doing Shift Command P, and then search up install package here. Just search up install and Shift Command P. Click that, and then search up Emmet. Emmet should be here. Don't choose any Emmet CSS snippets, Emmet style reflector. Don't choose any of these. Choose Emmet. I already have it installed, so I don't have it here. Right? You install that and also install Prettify. Prettify should be here, but again, I already installed it, so it's not here. The next thing you want to do is, for those things to work, you need to install node.js. You just search up node.js, click this, and then just install the recommended for most users. Click that, and then Prettify and Emmet should work. To start out with using Emmet and Prettify, so for Emmet, it has a lot of useful features, but for me, one of the most useful is you can just type exclamation point and then tab, and then it types out basically like the starting thing. You can also do this, and it also does that, which helps if you are trying to link your HTML file to your CSS, but like you shouldn't worry about that now at all. Yes. And also Prettify. Prettify is also really useful because say you have you have a bunch of stuff like each one, like say it's all like looking really weird or whatever like that, let's say, then you can just do this, Prettify code, and then it makes it look really nice and clean. So that's basically what Emmet and Prettify do. The next thing I want to show you is the font and like style and theme and everything. So again, to install themes, you want to do Shift Command P and then install package again, right? If it loads, yeah. And then do IO. This is the theme I used. It's AYU. It should be like a paintbrush or something. So you should install this. It's what I use. You could try finding other stuff that look nice. So install this. And then once you installed it, just install it, and then press escape, go to Sublime Text, and then preferences, and then theme. See, clicking here, you can choose your theme. See, this is the one that you probably just installed, light theme, which I don't like that much, and then, theme, and then you also have Mirage, which is also a different one. But I prefer just normal dark theme and dark. The next thing you want to do is choose a color scheme for you. Color scheme. So I use 1337 because it looks nice, but you can also have IO dark, which also actually looks pretty nice. I might change to this one for a bit, or whatever you want. You can also do color scheme, and you can choose any one of these, Mariana or whatever. And yeah, whatever you want, yeah. But I'm probably actually going to do the IO dark one. That's basically it for how Sublime Text works and its basic functions and utilities. And like another thing you should note is that Sublime Text isn't only for HTML or CSS or JavaScript. You can also use it for practically every other language that's like wide known and popular, such as Python, TypeScript, and JavaScript, or stuff like that, or Java even, I think. So it's a really widely used platform, and it's really good for coding. Yeah. I'll see you when I start actually coding. Yes. Goodbye.